did y'all see that yesterday?
I am having a little problem with my colleagues from the People's National Party because there is, I don't know if it's rumor going around saying that there is going to be some runoff with my party leader. I want to make that clearly and also Jamaica to be understand if it's lie or true. Okay? Yes, thank you very much.
Last point you made, sir. As for the last point you made, one Marky Jeep on the app. One.
Look how Jamaica stay. No light, no road, no food pan we plate. People are suffer while Anjua live great. Hey, hey. You stand up on the platform, smile wide and proud. I tell we about prosperity, but we can't see it all now. Ha! Hurricane come true and left the people be. 6 months later, them still out there, asleep under the air. Your GLP friends, them build high rise, road still full of wood. House pocket to a field, while the nation